In the last video, we have discussed about what is class, what is object. In this video, we'll do the hands-on. Let's start. Let's declare a class of a phone. So for declaring a class of a phone, what you have to do at first, you just go to new and click on text document. Within that, you just write phone.java. See, we have declared a class that is phone. Within that, what we have to write? We have to write at first public class phone, and then you have to write public static void main, and within that you have to write string args. You can write anything over here in the place of args. Now, so there are some limitations. Whenever you are declaring your class as public, then your class name must be same as your file name. Whenever you are declaring a class as public, like this public class phone, your class name must be same as your file name, otherwise it won't be executed. And in a file there will be one public class, so you can write public at once. You can declare many class. Within that you can declare many class like phone1, phone2, phone3, but there will be one main method. In a script there will be only one main method. See, within those three classes we don't have any main method, but you have to write the main method within the public class, and the name of your public class should be same as your file name. So let me remove this course. Now we have declared a class which name is phone, which is same as our file name, and the type of the class is public. Now within that we have a main function. So we have designed a class. Now what we'll do, we will declare an object. So how to declare the object? For that, what do we have to write? For declaring an object in Java, we have to write phone. Let's declare that iPhone. So this is the reference and this is the class name. So this is your object name, and after that you have to write new phone, bracket open, bracket close. So what is this new keyword? It allocates the memory or it creates the object. So new keyword allocates the memory for your object. Now, so what is this phone? First bracket open, first bracket close. This is the constructor. So this is the constructor and this new is a keyword. So what is the constructor? We'll talk about that in the next video. So you can see that we have declared an object which is the object of our class phone, and we can also declare an object like this, suppose 1 plus. So 1 plus is an object and iPhone is also an object. So we can create n numbers of object of a class. We can create n numbers of object of a class, and the memory of the every object will be unique. Suppose I have a variable within that. Suppose I have a int RAM and I have a int camera. So within that you can see that we have two variables. So these are called instance variable. So we can say that our object is the instance of our class. So see, we have two variables, one is RAM and another one is cam. Cam stands for your camera. Now what we'll do, so what we'll write iPhone dot. In Java we'll access every property of our class using the dot operator. iPhone dot RAM equals to suppose 8 GB and iPhone dot cam, let's say 13 megapixel. Yeah, and for OnePlus, the RAM will be, suppose let's say 16 GB. So it's not possible, but yeah, 16 GB, and camera is suppose 48 MP. So how this object works, it allocates a separate memory within your JVM. So we have a memory for iPhone, we have a memory for OnePlus, and let's print these things system.out.println. println iphone.ram and iphone.cam, and let's print the entity of our OnePlus for OnePlus RAM and OnePlus cam. As you can see that we have two objects, iPhone and OnePlus, and we have initialized the value of their properties. So the value of iPhone RAM is 8, the value of iPhone cam is 13, the value of the value of OnePlus RAM is 16, value of OnePlus cam is 48. Let's compile this code. Java C. Okay, it will be phone.java. See, it's running properly. So our code is running properly. Let's execute this code. Java phone. See, we have got the output. For iPhone, your RAM is 8, for iPhone your cam is 13, for OnePlus your RAM is 16, for OnePlus your cam is 48. So this is how we can declare an object and we can initialize the property. In the next video we'll talk about what is constructor and what is method. See you in the next video.